If you've been struggling with love handles, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a powerful plan to lose those love handles for good. Let's jump right in. Start by incorporating core-focused exercises like Russian twists, side planks, and bicycle crunches. Pair these with full-body cardio workouts to burn fat all over. Ditch those processed foods and replace them with whole foods. High protein, low carb. It's the key to burning fat and building muscle. Stay consistent and track your progress weekly. Adjust your plan if needed, but don't give up. Progress takes time. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps with digestion and boosts fat loss. Make sure to get at least 2 liters a day. Don't forget rest and recovery. Give your muscles time to repair and grow, making fat loss even more effective. Follow this plan for 30 days, and the results will amaze you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your progress. Let's get those love handles gone.